wá mo ní bàbá nígbẹ̀jọ́ mo wó lọ mo pàdé ọlá àti lọ́nà. It's your boy Nice and I'm hanging out with Bisi Ologe. Don't touch that guy. God bless you. Thank you.
Standing on that note as a Christian, cute Biola should come out if I am ever in this life have such conversation with him. I never had that conversation with him. I don't know where they brought out that doctored chat. You brought out the chat. Right? That wasn't my handle. That wasn't my handle. That wasn't my name. The name of the handler of that chat was erased. It was covered. And you claim that was me. How could that be me? How? I have never had such conversation with Biola, and I am calling on cute Biola himself to come out. Because when this matter happened, I called him. I said, Biola, kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Kí ni nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí? Ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan àti Biodun, I don't understand. I asked him. I said, Biola, ṣé wà àtìyàwó ẹ ní issue ni? Ó náà tí òun àtìyàwó òun ò ní issue. So where is this coming from? I never had this kind of conversation with you. All I did for you, we were at Ijebu, Ṣé Sharani, Aloba, Ijebu shoots. Kemi Korede was there, Ijebu was there, someone, I can't remember who was there again. And we all took picture. Then when we took the picture, Biola said, Auntie Biodun, ewa ba mi ṣe skits. It was that skit, tá ṣe yẹn, ló ti di mímú. Òun ni mo ti wọ green jumpsuit yẹn ló ti di mímú. Ló post sórí page ẹ̀ pé guess who? And I posted it on my page as well, that guess who? And that was the picture that was used to spoil my name, that I had something to do with the cute Biola. That same picture is still on my page. I never brought that picture down. I purposely left that picture there. So where did this come from? Like, èmi sọ fún cute Biola pé kó jẹ́ ká máa fẹ́ra wa, like, what the heck? Cute Biola, he doesn't even greet me while standing. Biola ò lè kí mi lórí ìdúró. My first son is 23. So gap mélòó ló wà láàrin ọmọ mi àti cute Biola? Gap mélòó? I am calling on Biola himself because I heard something like it was Biola himself that was spreading that rumor. I am calling on Biola himself to come out and clear this nonsense. Else, Mama, honestly, Mama, and I'm very serious about it. I am calling on cute Biola himself to come out and talk. Nibo, I'll finish my amala. Honestly, this is annoying now. Who are annoying now? Cute Biola himself should come out. If you tell me at the chat I don't look for trouble. I don't talk. And no matter what, I don't talk. All I face is my business, my influencing business, my personal business, my kids and my man. Where is that coming from? Where? I cannot post in peace since last year. So people will just come on my page calling me cute Abiola Ajebu. And you are an Agbaya. You are Kiniko. What I never did. Pharaoh, me please don't tell me to drop Bible. Please. Don't tell me to drop Bible. Please. My daughter is here. She knows I don't do this. But this is getting too much. It's getting too much on me. Go down now. You people who say somebody should not talk. On my page, I saw somebody saying that, why did you keep quiet for so long? I didn't know that when you talk, they say don't talk. Okay, what do people want? Don't talk. Don't talk. Let me just do me. Now I'm ready to talk and I'm talking. Nobody should tell me don't do this, don't do that. Please. Cute Biola should come out and address this nonsense now. You should come out and address this nonsense. What sort of nonsense is that? Kill off cute Biola ni tó fẹ́ gbé fún mi. Àwọn tó ní fọ́tò lè kọ́ ọmọ bọ̀ wọ́n tó sí mi ò gbà fún wọn. Cute Biola like how? What nonsense? coming up to talk. And anybody, see, I'm barefooted. Me, mo boye rese mi. Yes, I'm barefooted. And as I'm standing on this floor, tó bá jẹ́ wípé èmi Abiodun, mo ní anything ṣe pẹ̀lú Biola, àbí mo toast Biola, or mo ask Biola out, kí n má rí òpin ọdún yìí. Ṣùgbọ́n tó bá jẹ́ wípé kò sí nǹkan tó jọba yẹn, mi ò ever bá Biola sọ̀rọ̀ tó jọ mọ́rọ̀ love rí. Mi ò ever rí Biola, nothing than a brother or a son. Màá rí òpin ọdún yìí, màá jálẹ̀ ọdún yìí, màá rà wọ́n ọmọ mi, ẹ̀mí mi á kù. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń sọ irọ́ yẹn ní orúkọ ti Jésù ẹ̀ ní ròpin ọdún yìí, ẹ̀ẹ́dẹ̀ ní sóríire. Àfi tó bá jẹ́ wípé irọ́ ni mo pa, tó bá jẹ́ pé òótọ́ ni mo sọ, pé kò sí nǹkan tó jọba yẹn láàrin èmi àti Biola. Any mouth that speaks lie against me will not live long. Ẹ̀yà wèrè ni. Even if I'm keeping quiet. Do I look like a fool? Anybody that says that nonsense again will die. And I mean it. What nonsense is that? Does it look like a joke? I'm calling on Biola now. Biola, what a pastor. Biola, just come out and talk. What nonsense? Biola, come out and talk. I'm calling on you to come out and talk. Else, Biola, I'm calling you to come out and talk because I heard that you are the one spreading that stupid rumor. I did a skit for you. Oh, 51 naira. After that skit in Ijebu, you called me again to come and do a skit for you. I did that skit. You never paid me a kobo. All I'm getting is this nonsense. What if my man is not understanding? What if my kids are not understanding?
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.